I'm going to show you how we do our, we have some comb that we forgot to put a frame in here underneath here. So like that. It's laid up with brood. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut it out. So we're going to stick it in an empty frame. And usually we rubber band them, but we don't have rubber bands on me. And then we'll put a nuke box on top of here, give them some room. So we want to keep it. So they just stuck it to another frame down here. Just using the hive tool. We'll cut it out. You want to make sure that the queen is not on here. Just laid it up. We got some drones in here. Everything is filled. Take the bees off, and then we're just going to add it to this frame. So if you forget a bee frame, don't worry. It happens. And they draw the comb. There's no point in throwing it away. They will fix it all. They'll glue it all up, and then you can reuse it just like that. And so what we suggest is using some rubber bands though, so that it doesn't wobble out. This comb right here, we'll take it home. It's real thin. As you can see, I don't have any brood in here. It is a thin comb though, but we'll melt it down. It's still usable. Now we can take this box off, and I have another comb here because we forgot to add 2 frames into this one. I've got it stuck down here on the this, as you can see. So again, we're going to watch for the queen. We don't want the queen on here. I don't see her. We'll get another empty frame and do the same thing. Grab the hive tool. This one's a little bit bigger than the frame. That's alright. Cut the wax off. It's okay if you cut through some brood, no big deal. There we go. We cut through a little bit of brood right here on the top. Not a big deal. And now you can just put that frame right in here. Like I said, it's a lot easier with rubber bands to hold it. But I don't have any rubber bands in the truck. So do our best to smash it in there up against this top bar. And save a lot of that work that they have already done. So there we go, and there's the second one. So it looks good. We'll put this back on here. Put these frames back in here. Bees will glue it all up. I'll repair everything we did. Miss Lexi's out here. She decided to join. And then we're going to add another box on top of here. Lexi, if you'll go get 5 frames.
Yeah.
We'll get 5 frames into here, and then we'll put that medium back on. That way they will get extra room. But that's just a simple way to fix some. If you leave a frame out in the bees build it, there's no point in letting the hard work go to waste. Just take an empty frame, put it in there, and like I said, usually we'll have rubber bands and we'll band them, maybe 3 or 4 rubber bands across the whole frame. It'll hold that in there so that it doesn't wobble around and everything. The bees will repair it, they'll break the rubber bands, and then they will get it out. So we will put these frames in here, get a drone frame in there. There's a couple of, get them to draw. So what we did with this one right here, we waxed all this part right here, put new wax on here, put new wax on here so that they will draw it nice. There's some empty combs. A little bit of food in there. One more frame. And then we'll check if we have a bottom, and we'll move this. And it's a new hive now. We'll transfer it over into these 7 frames, take it out. Probably next time we're out here. And there we go. We got so a 5/5 here, 5/5, and then we'll put this medium back on. I only got 3 medium frames. With me, is there any more mediums in there? The truck. There we go. We'll get 2 more in here, the medium frames, but they are good to go. And we ain't got extra space now. We cut that comb out. Now we can easily manage it and work it without worrying about breaking comb and everything. All right, I hope y'all's bees are doing good. We'll catch you on the next one.